This is Ed's level 2 indicator. It's free. I found it on a forum. If you just do an internet search for Ed's level 2 NinjaTrader 8, you might have to join a forum or something to be able to download the indicator, but it's giving you level 2 data, and if you've got rhythmic data, you've got unlimited spots on the ladder here. I used to use BOOKMAP way back in the day. Looks like they've added a bunch of stuff that looks, I'm sure it's cool, but for me it's just, I don't need it. I've got the chart set up that I'm already using, where I can see where there's, big buyers, big sellers, areas of interest on the chart, very clearly, very clean, very simple. I will say one thing is, if you have multiple tabs open on one chart, this thing can kind of get messed up and get stuck and froze, so it's best to just have it on a chart with no other tabs. That's something I've noticed, a little quirk, but hard to complain when the indicator's free, Market just opened 9:30. First chicken balls trade of the day. Some nice delta coming in on the ES last candle. Some more nice delta coming in. Some nice delta coming in on the NQ. Breaking above the 200 here. Got plenty of room up to the 20 SMA on the hourly. Reversal signals on the Renko chart. Get out. Tons of delta coming in on those first two ES candles. NQ followed suit. Broke above this last area of resistance in the 1 minute chart, and we've just been sailing up. We rolled up on this titty. We liked it. We started rubbing and caressing the whole dang thing. Might be going up to test VWAP pivot point. About to close on the 5 minute with some nice delta and some nice volume. Some delta coming in on the Renko 2 and the 1 minute. Definitely looking forward to test VWAP. Just more and more and more delta coming in on this ES and the NQ. Might be testing the overnight open. Broke VWAP. On our way up to fill the gap. Some sellers up here above whole number. Nice volume coming in, nice delta coming in on the 5 minute. Right, this point of control here. Well, got the nice bounce back up. Came down right to the lower Bollinger Band on the 1 minute. Look at that. Bounced up like 30 points off of there. Back up to the center line of the Bollinger, which is the 20 SMA. So we got 4 minutes until news. How am I doing today? Almost $300. And mostly long trades. 1 or 2 short trades. 80% profitable. Alright, we had a lot of volume coming in on this 5 minute candle. A lot of delta. Came back to yesterday's point of control in the overnight open. We had a nice bounce up, 10 points. I'm up almost 120, 110, 120 by 4 accounts. The news was a mixed bag. And then we got Powell speaking, coming down to VWAP. Just broke below the 20. Just like a little fake out, breakout to the downside. Got in a little long there. Up 140 on all my accounts. 10, 11. Fat bounce off of VWAP in the pivot point area. I gotta take a fat shit. So, MonkeyMan, you stay the fuck away from this computer while I'm taking my shits. MonkeyMan's still sleeping, so should be all good. 1024. Up over $600 now. I got a bounce off of this area in between the VWAP and the pivot point. We're also at the lower Bollinger Band here on the 1 minute. Bounced up over 30 points now. I've added some extra divergence signals on the Renko chart, as well as these overbought, oversold indicators. Then I've got my moving average crossover, painting the candle color, so I don't want to take a long unless the bars are green. Like, even though we had a couple of up candles here, one there and one there, on this down move it didn't turn the candles green until at this point. So if I'm looking at these overbought, oversold indicators, I'm not interested in taking them until I got candles going in the same direction. All right, 10:32. Got into one more bounce trade long. I think I'm up over 800 bucks now, even after commissions. But yeah, price came down to the 200 moving average. We came down to the 20 SMA on the 5 minute, and it was close to whole number. So 1 minute before 11, got kind of a late start to my morning, so took a few extra trades, got some extra long bounce trades, up over 1,000 bucks now, just trading the micros. Mostly all long trades today, up 1,011. Got my percent profitable rate up to 87.5%. This is all trading just 1 or 2 micros at a time. I think one time I might have had 3 micros on at once, but other than that, every trade I took today was just 1 or 2 micros. And then this is spread out between 4 different Apex accounts, so around 250 bucks per Apex account. It's making me want to get a couple of bigger accounts though and trade a regular NASDAQ contract for every micro I trade. Instead of being up 250, I could be up 2,500 per account. So I might get 1 or 2 while Apex is having their sale. I found that I just really like making these live trade recording videos just for myself. It's been really helping me verbalize the thoughts inside of my head and the thought process when I'm taking trades, and I think that just helps. So at this point I'm just doing this for personal reasons, so maybe there's someone out there that's getting some benefit to seeing how I'm approaching the market and how I'm trading off of these levels and using volume and order flow and things like that. If not, I'll definitely be making some other styles of videos, but as far as the daily reviews, I'm just doing these for my own personal benefit at this point. I actually got the idea from Bob Anderson, watching his YouTube videos before I even started this channel. He was talking about how he started his channel just for personal development basically, and just to help him stay on point and be held accountable for his trades that he was taking. I thought that was a good idea, so decided to give it a try. I think it's been helping so far. The other person that inspired me to start a YouTube channel was Patrick Whelan, just because he says whatever the heck he wants all the time and freaking funny. If my channel seems like a kind of a combination between those two channels, that's probably why. Thanks again for watching. Thanks to the one person that used my Apex code, and had one person use the Replicanto code. I don't know if it's the same person, but whoever you are, you're awesome. Thank you. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.